Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can embed Google Sheets in a Google Sites website. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select a blank site or a recent site that you have been working on. Next, we're going to set our focus to the right corner and click on Embed. And then click on Embed Code. Now, open your Google Drive right here in drive.google.com and then select the Google Sheet that you want to embed on your site. I'm going to use this budget tracker that I made. So double click on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right corner and we're going to share this Google Sheet right here. But first, we need to make it public. So click on share and change the general access to anyone with the link. Then click done. After that, we're going to go to the top left and click on file. And then we're going to hover our mouse on share and click on publish to web. A pop-up window will appear and we're going to click on publish first. Then click OK. After that, we're going to go to Embed and then we're going to copy this text right here. We're going to go back to our site and paste that code right here on the embed code and click on next. After that, we're going to insert it. And as simple as that, we've successfully embedded our Google Sheet in our Google site. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!